Beauty of a woman is not measured by the clothes that she wears, but rather by the beauty of her heart and the way that she cares. No person was created in vain. No challenge in life will forever remain. No age, race, or gender can hinder your purpose. Discover what you're born for and live it with passion. Take good care of yourself, because you cannot pour from an empty cup. Even if you've reached rock bottom, there's only one way, that's up. Like a tree having seasons of change, we know with each challenge there's wisdom to gain. I'm not just a woman, I'm a woman of value, I'm a woman of purpose. There's no purpose without obstacles, no strength without struggle. There's no Ubuntu without community, no victory without difficulty. There's no me without we. I am